everyone. Today we are going to talk about forgiveness. It is not intentional, it's coincidental, but I guess it is not an accident that I am talking about forgiveness during this season. So let's just dive right into it. Deciding when to forgive and forget or not is a deeply personal matter. It makes sense to forgive and forget for minor offenses, like when it is inconsequential with minimal harm, like someone accidentally stepping on your toes, or someone bumped into you. But when it comes to bigger and more complex situations, we need to take context into consideration, such as the nature of the relationship and the impact of the wrongdoing. Let's look at 5 key aspects of forgiveness and what it really means before you decide whether to forgive someone in your life. Number 1, forgiveness is self-empowerment. When you forgive someone, it means you're letting go of your hurt and anger. This doesn't mean that the person who has harmed you wins. It means you are not allowing them to continue hurting you. It's about you taking back control of your life, freeing yourself from lingering anger and resentment. This is particularly true when they continue to have an emotional hold on you while they may be out there living their best life without giving you a second thought. So forgiveness is less about condoning what was done, or you are doing it for their sake, and more about allowing yourself to move forward towards your own personal peace and emotional healing. Number 2, forgiveness repairs relationship. In cases where the relationship is really important to you and the wrongdoing is not characteristic of the person's typical behavior, forgiveness can help repair your relationship and emotional healing. It's about understanding that we all make mistakes and recognizing the value of the bond is not broken by the wrongdoing. Instead, it could be an opportunity for the both of you to strengthen the connection as you work towards rebuilding trust in your relationship. Number 3 is mental health improvement. Letting go of grudges and bitterness can have a significant positive impact on your mental health. It reduces stress, anxiety, and even depression. It is unloading this emotional burden that has been weighing you down, similar to dropping a heavy backpack that you've been carrying around. Number 4, forgiveness promotes compassion. Forgiveness fosters a culture of empathy and compassion, where mistakes are seen as opportunities for growth rather than reasons for punishment. Especially when the person who wronged you shows genuine remorse, takes full responsibility for their actions, and make an effort to make amends. Number 5, personal growth. Deciding to forgive can help you grow. It teaches you to let go of negative feelings that might be holding you back from being happy or trying new things. Forgiveness helps you move forward instead of staying stuck in the past and dwelling on what went wrong. It takes a great deal of strength, courage, grace and compassion to forgive. So don't you dare believe that forgiveness is a sign of weakness or defeat, not even for a second. Forgiveness requires emotional resilience to let go of hurt, anger, and resentment, particularly in the face of significant betrayal and challenges. Now, try that and subscribe for more.